Hi, welcome to the Joggers Sew-A-Long. In this first video, I'm going to show you how to cut and grade the pattern using the projector. I'm going to use the width of the 12 to 18 month size and the length of the 6 to 9 month size. And in the second video, I will show you how to prepare the moto patch. And then in the third video, it will be the whole assembly of the pants. Alright, let's get started. Grading this pattern is really simple, and you can use this same method with any two sizes. I've got my projector calibrated, and I'm going to start with the front pieces 1 and 2. All I'm doing is cutting along the orange lines on the outside, which is the size 12 to 18 months, and then when I'm cutting the length on the top and bottom, I'm using the pink lines, which is 6 to 9 months. I forgot to cut down the middle here. Now we're going to follow the same rules for the rest of the pieces, and that's really it. In the next video, I'm going to show how to do the moto knee patch. So if you're not interested in doing that, you can skip that video and go straight to video 3, which is the full assembly of the pants. Thanks for watching!